Welcome to aminacademy.com. In electrical engineering, let us discuss about laws of magnetic force. Here, suppose two permanent magnets keep together. That means it between little give and keep the magnets nearer. What happen if poles are different? One magnet have north pole, one magnet have south pole. Keeping together, what happen? It is a force of attraction. If two poles are same, like north with north or south with south, have repulsive force. Both are having repulsive nature. Now the magnetic force is equal to K into M1 M2 over mu R square. We'll explain this formula detail now. The Coulomb's law of magnetism, it states that if two magnet pole of strength M1 and M2 are held apart a distance r, then the force of attraction or repulsion between the two poles is directly proportional to the product of their pole strengths and inversely proportional to the distance square between them. That means, look at here, force is equal to proportionality constant M1 and M2, the product of the magnetic here then divided by the distance between r square, that mu is a constant relative permeability. Now Coulomb's law formula we'll discuss. Here F equal to 1 by 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 into epsilon r, that is here the permeability constant is here permeability constant epsilon 0 for that is for vacuum. AR is relative permeability into Q1 and Q2 over D square. Here we are using M1. The for that we have to use it, Q is better. Q1 and Q2. Therefore force is 1 by 4 pi epsilon. Epsilon 0 and epsilon r is equal to epsilon. Epsilon equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r. Therefore force equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 and Q2 over D square, where D is the distance between these poles. Now here in short you can see F is proportional, force is proportional to the product of the Q1 and Q2 and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, where here epsilon is absolute permeability and K or epsilon r is the relative permeability or specific inductive capacity. Epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space. K and epsilon r is also called dielectric constant of the medium in which the two charges are placed. Now in that we will discuss further about what is absolute relative permeability of a medium. The phenomena of a magnetism and electromagnetism are dependent upon a certain properties. The phenomena of magnetism and electromagnetism are independent upon a electricity certain property of the medium called the permeability. Every medium is supposed to possess two permeabilities. One is absolute permeability, that is mu, and relative permeability mu r. Here mu 0 absolute permeability can be expressed as 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter, and mu r equal to 1. Relative permeability for vacuum is 1. Relative permeability is mu r equal to 1. Now take any medium other than vacuum. If it is relative permeability as compared to vacuum is mu r. For absolute permeability mu equal to mu 0 and mu r. That here mu equal to mu 0 into mu r. We have further discussion about the force formula here. We know that F is proportional to Q1 Q2 over mu r square. Then further F is equal K into Q1 Q2 over r square, or in terms of vector F equal K Q1 Q2 over mu r square and keep vector r. So far we discussed little about magnetic Coulomb's law of magnetic force. On its form also we discussed. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.